All right, so we are in the website now. You see it right here, Payvus. That's the card I just showed you. Enjoy business credit card plus payment processing with no personal guarantee. So I say if you don't have payment processing already, they give you that payment processing. Just taking credit cards through your website or in person through this company. Let's make it bigger for you. So for Payvus business Visa card, no personal guarantee. I'm gonna keep on harking on that because that's really the best part of having this card. I keep it real on this channel. Does not report the personal credit, and that's part of no personal guarantee. Limits can grow your business. Also, it grows business credit. So, they report to the SFBE and Equifax business at the time. They could be reporting to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian in the future. This card, I just found out it kind of went away for a while. It was, founded in 2018, went away around 2020 and came back towards the beginning of this year. Qualification to get approved, you need to be a U.S. owner with a social security number. Sorry, foreign entities or anybody that's here on a visa. 3 months time in business. So, like I said, kind of hard to be a new business, but like I said, 3 months, that's not that long. Most require you be in business 2 years. And then we got 3,000 monthly revenue. Legal business, not in bankruptcy. So your business has to be in great standing, $3,000 monthly, 3 months in business, and then an owner. And then you go through a whole process of submitting information. There is a one-time fee. Forgot about that. $99. I forgot I even paid that. It's been so long ago since I signed up for this. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this card at least once or twice to take at least get this $99. You'll qualify for a refund if we cannot get the business approved. Okay, so yeah, so you have to do that $99, but if they don't get approved, they'll refund you within 30 days. Of course, you can't be, any gambling, any marijuana type business. Sorry, dispensaries, this won't work for you guys. APR on the card is 18%, and some other things. Default goes up. Required purchasing cash advance fee. Like I said, I'll probably use this for a cash advance real quick, pull some money off, buy some more crypto or some gold or silver. We buy assets over here and then keep it moving. So that's there. And like I said, it's backed by Cross Rivers Bank. So this is a national federal insured bank that he worked with a lot of fintech companies. Divvy, here's another credit card. That's no PG full business credit card, but don't think with Divvy you have to pay everything back in 30 days, the full amount in 30 days, not just the minimum. Stripe, my payment processing upgrade is some more fintech. All these are like fintech type companies that they work through. And some of the things like that. So you can probably just go ahead and go straight to Cross Rivers Bank. I'm pretty sure they got some see if they got any products, or they kind of go off everybody else for their product. That's probably what it is. They got some CDs, but no credit cards, anything like that. Okay, cool. And that's that. And then here's some more information about Payvus. One small business credit card that pays itself down. I said it pays itself down with every transaction you make through your payment processor. That's why they making sure they give you a payment processor, or they make you attach the one you already have. Don't use personal funds up to $10,000. And like I said, daily settlement, pay down, all that good stuff. Set payment, split settlement, allocation. So that's pretty much all the details. Like I said, no personal guarantee. One of the few true business credit cards, along with Sam's Club, Tripago, from the ones you have longer, payment periods. Another one, Divvy, but like I said, that's more of a corporate card. You only got 30 days to pay back. So there you go. Talk to your payment processor. Ask about expanding your payment previous. Salesforce funded. And that's where I log in at. Where do you go to apply though? Oh, I don't know. Where did I go to apply? Actually, I forgot. I went through Credit Plug's link. Credit Plug was one of the only person I saw talking about this on his channel, and I went through his link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find his link and paste it in the description below. And I assume they're still taking people. I'm not sure, but like I said, you come to this website here, type in your email address, and then you kind of go through the process of signing up on here. So I'm going to link down there below as well. All right. And then here's some more Payvus, Power Small Business. This Ali's Wire, that's where the card came in a separate envelope, and it came with this bank on it. So some type of way they are affiliated, but not 100% sure what this Ali's Wire is about. If you know any more information about Ali's Wire, leave me a description. Leave a comment below and tell me what the hell this company is about. Alizing Financial. Okay, cool. All right, make this video too much longer than it needs to be. And so that is the Payvus, no personal guarantee, business credit card. All right, so go ahead, apply if you like. Just remember, you're going to have to attach a payment processor, and a portion of your proceeds, your money that you work hard to earn, is going to go to paying down the balance or raising your credit limit up. All right, next time we out, baby.